How a simple glitch broke Block Blast forever. A glitch shown may be patched in future updates. Number 1. Infinite Move Glitch. Some users report that when you quickly tap multiple blocks and succession, the game does not register all the moves, allowing you to get extra moves without using any step. Select your moves, but instead of tapping one block at a time, tap multiple blocks quickly in a second. The game might not count some of your taps, giving you more moves than displayed. Note this glitch is constant and might be patched in future updates. Number 2. Undo move tricks. After making a mistake, you can explore the undo system by closing and reopening the app before the game auto saves your moves. Make a wrong moves or one you don't want. Immediately close the app before the move is registered. Reopen the app and you may find your last move undo. This glitch may not work on all devices or game origin, and the developer could fix them in future updates. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.